Hey guys, ngisitshela ngane le uyanga. You know, this girl's level of attention seeking is on another level. And what annoys me the most about this, ukuthi le attention le uhleze ithole endaweni erongo each and every time. Now into sevele wayenza, uvele wathatha ikhekhe, wathi mi somile ikhekhe. Sukumiyani usomila, thathiyani ikhekhe. Wangathatha ikhekhe kuphela bese wathatha nevideo ethatha ikhekhe. Imagine that. Now kubeka sengathi abo viewers bayanga will be all over the place. Wonke umuntu uzobazi including uhlathi nothumeka ishubile guys, and I want us to talk about this and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now nangu phela uyanga ifuna ama-matric dance abizayo because she's a head girl. Now head girl is gone, into ezoba khona for the rest of her life is her sex tape. Well, I'm not really sure whether it was a sex tape because what we were shown on the recent episode ivideo yakhe kisana lo mfana, so we're not really sure whether umfana udlile ikhekhe noma akadlanga yini, but what he told us ukuthi ulithathile. Ubetshela lo mngane wakhe lo mthithizisayo ukuthi hayi mfana ngibethile pha, so nibethile nqa apha and stuff. Okusho ukuthi he ate the cake. So asazi whether I was trying to prove a point umnganeni wakhe noma he really ate the cake. So now inkinga lo mfana lo ukuthi was jealous ukuthi uyena ofuna ukuthi athathe ikhekhe eqala lapha kuyanga. So impilo yanga manje is officially upside down inxa yophapa, because I really don't understand what why would she do that emzini ngababa wakhe noma wakhe. Guys, you know, part of me feels sorry for her, but okuningi nje ngiyajabula so that izokuphapha kancane. Ke le ngane leya iphaphe too much. God ngiyathanda ngoba ngineze ngane efana noyanga iyabheda le nto la. So guys, do comment down in the comment section nisho unicabangani nina about abo viewers bayanga begijima yonke South Africa. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.